How to install Mercedes Me app. This is a new app, and then you can just tap get to install it. Double click to install, and there you have it. So the new Mercedes Me app. Your smartphone becomes a digital link to your Mercedes. You have an overview of all information and control a vehicle via the app. All functions at a glance, like you can always stay informed about your mileage, range, current fuel level, or data from your last journey, for example. Convenient vehicle control. With the Mercedes, you can remotely lock and unlock, open and close the doors, windows, and sliding sunroof. Convenient route planning. Plan your route at your leisure and conveniently send addresses. Safety and emergency. Full saving driving. Simply electric. Pretty cool. And then you can see some nice reviews from all countries around the world. And then you can just you need to enable Bluetooth, and then just continue, personalize. So kind of like you connect into wireless headphones using the app, or you can connect the same to your car, obviously with Tesla app or Mercedes Me app. And then then you just need to add this Mercedes Me ID. Please enter your email address or cell phone number in the text box. If you do not have a Mercedes Me ID, you'll be redirected to your registration option after making an entry. Then you make please note that a vehicle can only be linked with only one Mercedes Me ID. So and then you can just set it up.